behind the scenes of what is this movie called?
It is called
Makes no sound.
Make a Sound or Die.
No.
Make a
Yeah,
sound
make
or
a
die.
sound or die.
Make
This
a
is the
sound.
cast.
Make a sound.
What is your name?
Or this is Leah.
Hi.
The cast.
This is Yana.
The cast. What is your name?
The dad.
Keith.
I'm a Spider-Man.
What's your name?
Angel Saint. No, ew.
Mark. Alright, what's your character name?
My character name is
Copaditas.
Alani.
Ailani.
What is your character name? Papa.
No. How about karate?
Karate.
My character.
Mr. Karate.
My
What is-
character
oh, wait.
name is Jasmine Saint. No.
What is it? What is it?
Why you can't play?
Chris.
This is actually behind
Chris?
the scenes.
My
Cheers, I know.
Your character name? Come on.
my character name is Macy.
Oh, that's
Macy?
cute.
Macy? Alright.
That's what she said.
Macy,
No, mine's
Macy get
Jake.
to know
That's Jake.
Macy get to know
Mine's
Jake.
Jake.
Jake get to know Alani. Alani get to know them and all that.
Oh,
And all y'all get to know Mr. Pop. I mean, what's your name?
Mr. Ninja.
Mr.
Mr. Karate.
Well, what's your name?
Karate.
Yeah, Mr. Karate. That's his last name, but he is he's the babysitter.
This
Cause
is
your
I got a
parents,
really good one.
This is the oldest.
he's the
I got a
babysitter
really good
because
one.
your
Look.
parents.
So you tell me that I'm gonna be at the end.
Who could be the one who stopped making the people possessed? Like all the way over here.
He could stop making the people possessed.
Okay, we're about to start.
Who the one that make the stop?
Say enjoy, good luck.
Enjoy, break a leg.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to his YouTube channel.
It's not YouTube.
Comment. Oh well.
It's unlocked me on YouTube.
Happy birthday, guys.
What?
What?
It's no.
What?
Alright.
Birthday is over.
Make sure y'all go watch the video, and we see y'all there. Peace.
See you,